This year, Dasahara, which is popularly known as Vijayadashmi, will be celebrated on 12th October in Puri Sri Jagannath Temple Complex. This festival, Dasahara, marks the triumph of good over evil, commemorating the victory of Prabhu Sri Ramachandra over the demon king Ravana, as well as goddess Durga's victory over the woeful demon Mahishasura. It is celebrated with great fervor and fanfare across the India with various traditions and customs. In Puri Sri Jagannath Temple, during Solo Puja, a unique ritual is being celebrated in the name of Gupta Gundicha. In the Solo Puja, Ma Durga and Madhav are being worshipped as Durga Madhav for 80 days in Ma Bimala temple and further 80 days at Mata Narayani temple located in Dolomandap Sai, Puri in front of Lion Gate. Not only in Puri temple, in the nearby Puri, the Muktamandap Shodasasana villages, the Mata Durga along with Madhav are being worshipped. This is a very unique puja is being celebrated in Puri temple. This is to make good relationship with Shakti and Vaishnaji. Nowhere in the world you will find the Mata Durga is being worshipped along with Madhava, Mahavishnu. You can find Sadasiv Mahadev is being worshipped along with Mata Durga. But nowhere you will find in the world that Mahavishnu and Durga are being worshipped jointly. Because in Puri Jagannath temple, you will find not only the deities of Mahavishnu, Jagannath, which is Mahavishnu, and also other Dasavatar of Mahavishnu, Sri Ramachandra, the deities of Sri Ramachandra, Vamana, Parshurama, Balarama, Matsya, Kashyapa, deities you can find there. But along with these deities of Mahavishnu, Dasavatara, also the idol of Sibaling of Mahadev, Sadasiv, you will find in the name of Kashi Vishwanatha, Aishaneshwara, Markandeshwara, Jambeshwara, Kapalamochana, Harishadeva, Sri Lokanath, etc. etc. Similarly, also you will find the idols of Shakti, Mata Durga, in the name of Mata Bimala, Mata Bhagavati, Mata Bhuvaneshwari, Mata Sarvamangala, Mata Tarini, Mata Dakshinakali, etc. etc. in the Puri temple. So, the Savyajim, Vaishnavajim, and Shaktijim, all the three forms of Hindus are being worshipped in the Puri Sri Jagannath temple. The God of Vishnu Avatar, Mahavishnu, the Mahadev are being worshipped, and Shakti also are being worshipped here. So to keep a good relationship between the Vaishnavajim and Shaktism, this Durga Madhava Puja is being adopted in Puri Sri Jagannath Temple complex. Not only that, nearby the villages of Sholosasana, Muktamandapa Sholosasana, Mata Durga along with Madhava are being worshipped jointly. This Sholosasana, this Solo Puja, which will started from 24th of September, and Navami Puja, Navaratri will started from 3rd October. So during this period, 80 days in the Ma Bimala temple, Mata Durga and Madhava will be worshipped, and the next 80 days at the Narayan temple, Mata Durga and Madhava will be worshipped. In the July, in the month of July, the Ratha Jatra was celebrated. In the Ratha Jatra, that is known as Gundicha Jatra or Car Festival, Prabhu Sri Jagannath along with his siblings went to Gundicha temple in cars from the Sri Jagannath temple along with his siblings. So during this Car Festival, Prabhu Sri Jagannath went along with his siblings, Balabhadra, Subhadra, but not along with Mahalakshmi. But during Shola Puja, the Puri temple, Gupta Gundicha, secret Gundicha is being celebrated. In this Gupta Gundicha, Madhav in a chariot will go along with Mata Durga from Sri Jagannath temple to Narayan temple located in Dolamandap Sai in front of Lion Gate. So, I request the devotees of Lord Jagannath during this time, whenever you will go Puri during the Sola Puja time, please worship Madhav along with Durga. So, at that time, you can worship Shakti with Vishnu. So, if you worship these things, so all your problem will be solved, and you will also get benefits by making darshan of Vishnu and Durga at a time. Jai Sri Jagannath. Jai Sri Jagannath.